What's up, everybody? Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to a new video. In this video we'll talk about the Lido Dao and the LDO token. I saw that it was requested a couple of times. As most of you know, I'm on vacation right now, but found some time, so now we're covering it because it's up by 25% right now, so it's absolutely going parabolic. Very bullish, and that has some real fundamentals behind that. So in this video we'll talk about those fundamentals. We'll start with that a little bit, and then we'll talk about the technicals. If we can really break $2, which is right now our main resistance. You can see on the chart that we went a little bit higher, but this is I explained that a couple of times more. This is more like a spike really that only happens on Binance, all right? Sometimes that happens, that on certain exchanges the spike goes up because the order books differ per exchange. But as you can see on CoinMarketCap, which is more of an aggregated version of the price, it's $2. That's the top. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the main thing behind the main bullish fundamentals behind Lido Dao, which has already been bullish for a longer period of time, for the last since the beginning of 2023, we went up from $1 to almost $2. So we almost went up by 100%. Volume is amazing as well. And the main thing that's bullish about Lido Dao recently is, and it has to do with this massive total value locked of $6.25 billion. So most of you know what Lido Dao has is it controls a lot of the staked Ethereum in the Ethereum blockchain, right? So a lot of the validators of the Ethereum blockchain are all collected under the Lido Dao, and they are node operators within that DAO. And what's happening soon, and that's the big fundamental event, is that Ethereum developers recently set the date for the Ethereum blockchain's upcoming Shanghai fork. And this upgrade, set to take place before March, plans to enable Ether stakers to withdraw their assets from the proof-of-stake beacon chain, which was previously unavailable to them, which has been unavailable for quite a long time, ever since obviously all the developments around the merge, which happened in September, but way before that, the beacon chain was already online. So that's massively bullish for LDO, because that's the governance token, so kind of the umbrella token, if you'd like to say so, of the entire Lido Dao. So that's kind of the fundamentals behind it. But given those fundamentals, and excuse me, I'm a little bit tired, but given those fundamentals, we can definitely get up even more. I mean, these fundamentals can bring us even higher. And what usually is the case in crypto is that it's always buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So crypto usually remains bullish until a certain event or something has happened, and then we will fall. And the Shanghai upgrade has not happened yet, and it's also not coming very soon. So the main thing right now, and I drew this fib to the top here at 2.6, but I don't think this is really realistic to have, because as I said, this spike did not happen on a lot of exchanges, so the validity of the fib level is not that high. But the main thing right now is that you can see this resistance level around $2, which is obviously a big psychological resistance level. But apart from that, it's also quite a technical level. I mean, it's not really on the chart, but you can see right here in the history, we have actually respected that level quite a bit. So that's the level to break. And we can break that, but we need to do one thing for that, and that is this level that we broke above, which we technically have not broken above yet, but I do think we will. This candle closes in about 3 hours, but still I do think we will, which is 1.75. If we can break above that, which I do assume, and we can stay on top of that for 3 days, which I'm not too sure of if we can, but if we can do that, then I think we'll break above $2 and get up to this level right here between 2.3 and 2.5. That's my main price target. But like as I said, I do think we will break above 1.7, but I'm not too sure yet if we can hold that. So at this point, it seems a little bit, given the fundamentals that we have, that it seems like it's a little bit more likely that this is it. So if you want one prediction from me, then this is it. But you should really know that at any point of time, we could still break through 1.7. And the moment we do that, we'll drop back down to 1.4, 1.5, consolidate there, and then we will probably have another chance to break above $2 soon, but I'll be back with another video on that, another update, whether the possibility then is a little bit bigger or more realistic. All right, so that's my take on it for tonight. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.